Okay. Tony vas oor, ek sal foto's neem. Hy het 'n bietjie van oscillasie in hom, maar hy gaan so 'n bietjie, ek dink 'n bietjie soos jy land. Bietjie skeef, ja, perfek. Hande op. Ooh, op sy gat. Oeg, ja, hy het hard geland. Okay, ja, hy het sy voete daar voor hom uitgedruk. Maar voete 'n bietjie gesleep, maar hy het mooi geland. Ek sal hom sê, okay, hoor. Okay, bye.
Okay, now I want you to throttle back to idle. Little bit of left brake for me, little bit of left brake, little bit of left brake, just fly straight at me. That's it. Okay, from this position you can switch your engine off for me now. Okay, now get your feet down and lean forward as far as you can. Okay. Lê vir my so ver vorentoe as wat jy kan. That's looking nice. Not too much left, just hold it there. That's perfect. A little bit of left. Okay, now wait for it. Hold it off. Hold it off. Now lean forward and full flare and run. Op jou voete.
Hey!
And down. Very good. Well done, bro. Nice picture.